Yo, it is now, yeah, 10 minutes before 3 and I'm hungry. I'm going to prepare something like a shake. I have this thing here and I have this. Yeah, this is a frozen mixed berries. I also have some ice here, but the problem is I'm not sure about this milk because I opened this like 2 weeks ago. This is already open, but I smell and it's still okay. The expiration is still on the 9/14/2020. I'm not sure about that, but yeah, I'll do it without the milk. It's like a sorbet. Sorbet. Yeah. I'll be just here in the computer. So I have this, I have the coffee, I have water, and I have this coffee also. And Vicks Vapor Rub. Yeah, these are all the seed of the berries. Yeah, there are seed and they are hard. And then I Google if it's good or bad. And it says that it's good for health. Look at this. There are some fly. There's one. There's another one. That's the reason why I have this spray, you know. Good afternoon. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Good morning. Yo, good morning, guys. Yeah, we are going to work now as usual. We are in the same way. The time now is 11:33 and my duty today is 12 o'clock until 9 o'clock. That is 9 hours with 30 minutes break. Yeah, this morning when I was leaving the house, I got a call from Bacta. Bacta is our Nepali friend in Dubai. Our colleague in Dubai. They are very. Bacta is a very close friend when we are in Dubai. Because before we always go to their unit, our accommodation, and yeah, because Michael is living in their room. They share the room, so we always go there. When we left Dubai. Bacta and the wife, because Bacta has a wife also living in Dubai, also a cook, and they stayed there for a little bit and then they go back to Nepal. And then while we are here in Australia, we are still communicating, especially John, yeah, my friend in Canberra. Yeah, they are always having a communication until one time there is a vacancy in the workplace of John. So John recommend Bacta, and Bacta prepared all his documents in in Nepal, processed all the documents until he got the job in Apollo Bay with John. So that's it. Bacta was living in Apollo Bay with John and the other Filipino guys. And then John left the Apollo Bay and went to Canberra, and yeah, Bacta and the wife also decided to leave the Apollo Bay and they moved to Melbourne, and you know they are now permanent resident, which is nice. Good morning. Yeah, it's good for them. You know, they did everything they can to be a permanent resident. Yeah, really nice. Good for them. Really good news for me. If you don't know, I am not a permanent resident. I'm not applying yet. I don't know if I am going to do that or they are fixing this place. Good morning, guys. I am preparing my meal. Chicken. I am already frying it here, but I decided to transfer it here. This one is margarine. It is sour. Yeah, the tomato that I put in here is a mistake. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, I'm going to keep this in the freezer and I will recook it when I want it. And this is what I'm going to eat today. Good day, guys. We are going to work now. 12 o'clock is my duty today. You know, this morning when I was preparing myself to come to work, I was brushing my teeth, and then I realized that last night before going home I forgot to switch on the oven. Yeah, I need to cook the slow cook the pork belly, and I forgot to switch it on. Yeah, because yesterday I go home at 9 o'clock and there are 3 guys more in the kitchen. They will be leaving at around 10:30. Yeah, I hope that they somehow switch on that. Yeah, I don't know. I'm a little worried because you know that pork belly, we cook that for 8 hours. That is why I'm a little bit nervous, because if they don't switch on that last night, it will be a problem. Yo, good morning, guys. Yeah, I'm going to work now. The camera is attached to the handlebar of this bike. It is actually the Jowflex, the fake one, the imitation one. I bought it online and it's working really nice. You know, the original one of this Jowflex is around $75 in GoPro.com.